Alright, we have a machine here, not very old, probably 4 or 5 years old. We're going to be relocating it. So I'm going to show you how to pump one down. Put your gauge on it. I got my caps off. This one here is ready to be pumped down. And got my gauge here. So all you have to do, and you need to know which way the refrigerant flows through here. This is your suction line. Your metering device is here. So refrigerant leaves here from the metering device, which is right behind here. And this is a gas. And this is actually part of your evaporator. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to shut down the inlet of your evaporator. Right there. And once you shut that down, go ahead and put your hose here. Open your disconnect. Get ready to kill your power. And once it pumps down to 0, now we're going to shut down our suction service port. Like that. Kill the power. Now, put all our caps back on, and from here to here, all the way back, the evaporator is empty. So we can pull this out, relocate it, do whatever we want to do with it, and it is just like that.